it is officially spring, and you know what that means, guys. Like, my life feels lighter, I'm happier, and the good vibes are back. Spring actually starts on the 20th of March, but today is Saturday the 8th of March. It's already feeling like spring to me, so it's spring, okay? Guys, I'm so excited. I feel like one of those channels that like shouts in your face, but I actually am so excited. I genuinely just feel like I need a life revamp. I need to revamp my space, clean my mind, and just start afresh. Like, this is when my new year starts. Like, January, no, okay? My new year starts now. Hey guys, so we have my coffee. Right now the time is 11:18 and we are going to get started on cleaning my room. I'm not doing like a super deep clean. I'm gonna like wipe surfaces, put things where they're supposed to be, just organize everything, declutter, and you know, we're not doing the most, but it's definitely not just a quick tidy. Let's get our lives together. Guys, there is a massive spider. Oh my goodness. Guys, so I just finished cleaning my room, as you guys saw, and I'm so happy with her. She's clean. So now what we're gonna do is I kind of want to journal. I haven't journaled in a minute and I love journaling. Hey guys, so we're in my bathroom now and I want to wash my makeup brushes. Obviously we have my trusty makeup brush washer. I'm not sure where this is from because I got it as a gift, but I will link down an Amazon link for it because I'm pretty sure you can find this on Amazon for a very cheap price. My skin is having a bit of a crisis at the moment. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it needs sorting immediately because my skin relatively stays clear just as long as I keep the same routine, but when something changes it crashes out. So I'm thinking of washing my makeup brushes because those also, if you're breaking out, that might be the reason too. And wash your pillowcases too. Hey guys, so I just washed my makeup brushes and they're drying over there, and I just thought I would come here and do a little recent purchases type of haul, the recent things that I've purchased and what I think about them. So I'm gonna start with my AliExpress order. This was my first time ordering from AliExpress. The delivery took, I would like to say it took 2 weeks or a little under 2 weeks, so I was impressed with the delivery because I expected it in 2 months. Okay, firstly I got these makeup brushes which I've already used, as you can tell, but these are the, I don't know how you pronounce this, MAANGE, and I got these makeup brushes because I've seen them on TikTok as well, but they were cheap on AliExpress, so I was like, I'll get those. but these are such good quality. I've never been a brush kind of girly. I really like these brushes. They're good quality. This brush I don't necessarily use because I feel like it's a foundation type of brush and I don't wear foundation. This I've been using to blend in my concealer, but going over it with a beauty blender as well, because I don't know, the brush just doesn't do it for me. And then this I tried to use for my concealer, but I didn't really like the way it worked. As a part of that AliExpress order, I also got these Hello Kitty stickers, which is what you see on my MacBook. I actually want to put them on my iPad too because there's so many. Apparently it's 50 stickers inside, but I've already used a few. Going with the Hello Kitty theme, I also got these glasses. Guys, I can't even call them glasses at this point. Look, there's no lens. Why? I was so mad because this was the thing that I was most excited for and it didn't come with the lenses. I mean, it still kind of looks cute, but like, why can guys? No. Part of that AliExpress order, I got this actually 2 of these beauty blenders, and they're of the same brand as the brushes, but I got these, no, powder puff. Next purchase was this necklace, guys. This I got with my initial. I've never been an initial necklace type of girl, but I really like this. When I saw it, I literally got it from a market like in my town, so I don't know where it's from, honestly. Then same thing, I got them from the market in my town. I got these bangles. I don't even think you'd call them bracelets. They're more of bangles because they're very big, and I'm so obsessed. Like, what the heck? These are gonna be so cute with like my luxurious fits, and I'm just so excited. I need to grow my collection of these, and I just love, like, hey guys, so like I said before, I want to put the Hello Kitty stickers on my iPad. I already have this dog sticker on it that I got from my brother, I think. I'm gonna decorate it. I want to put them in the front because I feel like I want to do it at the back. Yeah, I'm gonna put them here, and yeah.